Welcome to our video, where I will show you all about sunflower seeds and their health benefits. Let's get into it, shall we? Sunflowers don't just produce beautiful blooms. Their seeds and oil are incredibly nutrient-dense and can help you promote your health. Highly nutritious, sunflower seeds are good for the intestine, heart, skin, and even to help control glycemia. Some of the benefits of sunflower seeds include: alleviates stress. Since they contain magnesium, sunflower seeds are calming and help to alleviate stress. They also contain tryptophan and choline, which fight off anxiety and depression. Helps prevent constipation. Sunflower seeds are high in fiber, helping to fight constipation. Contributes to cardiovascular health. Rich in good fats, both mono and polyunsaturated, sunflower seeds help maintain cardiovascular health by regulating the levels of total cholesterol and reducing triglycerides. Protects the skin. With copper and vitamin E, sunflower seeds protect the skin against harmful ultraviolet rays, making your skin appear younger. Prevents arthritis and osteoporosis. Sunflower seed oil reduces the symptoms of arthritis, also contributing to prevent and treat rheumatoid arthritis. Sunflower seeds also aid in many enzymatic functions of our body, such as bone development, thus preventing osteoporosis. It is easy to incorporate sunflower seeds into your diet. Add them to your trail mix. Sprinkle them on salads or use sunflower oil in your dressing. Add them to your smoothie. Grind them to use in breads, or use them to coat your meat before cooking. Here is a delicious way to season plain seeds at home. 1/3 cup of sunflower seeds, around 1.75 ounces, 1 teaspoon of water, 1/2 teaspoon of curry, 1 pinch of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil. Directions: in a bowl, combine the sunflower seeds with water, curry, and salt. Put the olive oil in a frying pan over medium heat and add the seed mixture. Mix it for 4 minutes or until toasted. Let it cool down completely before storing in airtight containers. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.